As entrepreneurs, we've got to balance three things, right? We've got to balance the right people with delighting our customers, and then the financial side, which is profits. And I don't mean that in a sort of a greedy, fill our pockets way. Businesses have to be profitable so that they can pay their people, that they can pay their bills, so it's balancing those three things. And it's always like, if I could, I would always hire a lot more people than we do, but we've got to balance those three things, right?